You know what's cooler than browsing Etsy for hours, adding things to your cart and never checking out? Owning an Etsy shop that makes you money while others do the same thing. Etsy isn't just a marketplace. It's a playground for creators, DIYers, and anyone with a knack for selling unique or handmade items. With over 100 million buyers worldwide, Etsy is a goldmine waiting for you to dig in. Today, I'm spilling the tea on 7 creative ways to make money with Etsy. Whether you're an artist, a crafter, or someone with a good eye for trends. Let's get started. 1. Sell handmade products got a talent for creating. From custom jewelry to scented candles, handmade products are Etsy's bread and butter. Start by listing your creations and let Etsy's huge audience discover your work. Fun tip. Your quirky macrame plant hangers. People will pay for those because their DIY attempts keep ending up as tangled messes. 2. Offer printables and digital products not into shipping physical items. Sell digital products like planners, wall art, or party invitations. Customers download your designs instantly. No trips to the post office required. Humor hook. It's passive income minus the stress of bubble wrap and shipping labels. 3. Create a niche store. Find your niche and dominate it. Whether it's pet accessories, vintage finds, or eco-friendly products, focusing on a specific market helps you stand out. Relatable angle. Think about it. If you're obsessed with knitting for cats, chances are someone else is too. Niche, L goldmine. 4. Sell craft supplies. You don't have to make the finished product to profit. Sell craft supplies like beads, fabrics, or embroidery kits to other creators. Engaging twist. Be the hero behind someone's masterpiece, without ever touching a glue gun yourself. 5. Upcycle or repurpose items. Got a knack for turning old stuff into something chic? Upcycle vintage furniture, clothes, or decor into unique, sellable pieces. Fun tip. Your grandma's old teapot? That could be a trendy lamp base for someone else. 6. Personalize everything. Etsy buyers love personalization. Add custom options to your products like engraved names, monograms, or bespoke designs. It's a surefire way to stand out and charge a premium. Humor hook. Because who doesn't want their name on everything? From mugs to socks to, who knows, maybe even a toilet seat. 7. Sell vintage finds. Etsy's not just for handmade, it's also a haven for vintage lovers. If you've got a good eye, hunt down and resell vintage clothing, jewelry, or decor items. Pro tip. Your weekend thrift store runs could turn into a highly profitable side hustle. So, which Etsy money-making idea are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more creative tips to grow your income. Remember, whether you're crafting, curating, or creating, Etsy can be your ticket to turning passions into profits. Let's make those cha-chings happen!